Diamond Fork Canyon boasts beautiful mountains, streams, and wildlife. Just east of Spanish Fork, it's chock full of day use areas and campgrounds. On this video, we explore the 7 Diamond Group campsites. Stay tuned till the end for a taste of the Monk's Hollow trail system. We begin with a look at group sites 5 and 6. All of the sites have outhouses and water faucets. Each comes with a large parking lot and pavilion. Sites 2, 4, 5, and 6 have a maximum capacity of 75 people. Next door to the south, we find Group Site 5. These sites could be reserved together for a maximum capacity of 150 people. For reservations, check out the recreation.gov website. Next, we reach the entrance to sites 3 and 4. Site 4 could also be combined with Site 3 if reserved together. The creek lies about 100 feet to the east of the campgrounds. Site 3 is the largest with a capacity of 125 people. A unique feature of this site is the culvert. This provides another pool for fishing. Diamond Creek is a popular place for fly fishing, so don't forget your rod. Down the road a ways, we come to the last and my favorite large group campsite. Site 2 is isolated. It cannot be combined with other campsites. This is the host campsite. To get to the group area, just head down the short trail. As you cross the bridge, you understand why this one is my favorite. Past this outhouse and through the gate, you can gain access to Monk's Hollow, a system of ATV and horse riding trails. Monk's Hollow contains a trailhead and a set of 2 small group camping areas. The first one is Site 1A. Both sites have the capacity for 25 people. And finally, here is Site 1B. The parking lot is perfect for day use, but camp elsewhere if you want peace and quiet. Through these gates, you will find a rider's paradise. Check out this video for more information on the trails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.